this is Eva and Mark. We're here in Broome, Australia.
Well, I'm going to pull up here.
The home of pearling. And this is the street where there's a lot of pearl and jewelry
I don't
shops.
switch aircon off or anything, so you don't have to worry about the bus heating
We're
up.
going to go take a look at some of the pearls from this area. On the ship I've seen a few black colored pearls and gray colored pearls, and of course the white pearls that we're familiar with.
I stay with the bus the whole time, so if anyone wants to leave bags or anything behind, it's quite safe.
So come with us, Eva and Mark.
On the right there where that other bus is, if anyone does decide they want to go back to that
Australia.
other shuttle, you can do, just let me know that.
All of Australia, US and the world, so see everything we need. I'll show you more when we actually get into the pearl shops.
I'm going to bring my jumper.
Greetings from Eva and Mark. Enjoy.